I did my research on internet, and then I find out that there are many universities which are suitable for me, but best university that was suitable for me was UCLan, as it is having around 30,000 students, and it is a mid-rank university having ranking of 42 from 119 universities. And the location is also very good. It is nearby Manchester and Liverpool. It is nearby Blackpool. The transportation is very easily available. It's just 45 minutes journey to any city by train, so it's a good university. My first impression in Preston was good, as this university is in the heart of city. When you first come out of railway station or bus station, you can ask anyone, and each and everyone who here knows where is UCLan. It is having a big campus, and so it was good. But no worry, it would be raining here, so do carry an umbrella with you. University will always support you from when you have filled the application till you will receive the cash letter. So when you will fill the application, university will tell you each and everything about course, will give you the email address for the person concerned to you, and you can interact with them at any time, ask questions about the courses and anything that you are not able to understand. Also, if you are coming from India, then Govind sir would help you a lot. You can ask anything from him, and when you will university will help you in visa. It will tell you each and every steps that you need to have an approved visa, and then you will receive a cash letter, take the appointment, take the visa, come in Preston. That's it. Yeah, making friends is good here because the course is designed so that in the first 4 weeks you will be doing lot of teamwork and very good fun and interactive apps you will be making. So it is very good, and you will make new friends over here. And after that, don't worry. In your class, you can make many friends, as there are a lot of teamwork worksheets coming up for each and every module. So don't worry about friends. You'll be having a lot of friends over here. The program, if you talk the whole program, it is very managed and it is particularly very good. It has been structured and done on the research basis that the program is you will able to find from each and every steps that we are doing. Also, there is a 4 week challenge in the first, so that helps you in making new friends, helps you to do the teamwork, and you the whole program, basically we can say that whole program is very good. Do not worry about program, leave it to teachers and your personal tutor. They will manage for you from each and everything. If you have passion about making softwares, or you like to play with the codes, then this is the course that you are looking for, and I would prefer this is the university you can take it, because it is a massive university, and the course over here basically games or software engineering. It is having their particular labs with their all the equipments that you will be needing. So do not worry about anything, just pop in on any open day so you can see or interact with the teachers who are teaching there and see the labs. That's it. My advice would be, your option is very good. You can select this university. Do not worry about university quality and ranking. It is good. The study material is very good. The only thing which is disadvantage in Preston is raining, so do carry an umbrella always. That's what I can give you. And but do not worry about anything about study structure or study material. It is best ever in UK. Don't worry about it. There are many opportunities available for part-time work. You can always pop into student union. There is a job fair, and there is an opportunity center which is always having jobs, all the latest opening all over the Preston, maybe part-time, full-time, or any festival opening like in Christmas or maybe in Easter holidays. So you would find a part-time job. Don't worry about it. Just you have to do somewhat hard works. That's it. But don't worry, you will find any part-time job in less than 3 months. Yes, I'm thinking for going on the placement year. One advice: if you are going on placement year, don't worry. University will help you. Your personal tutor will help you. Just interact with him. He will tell you each and every opportunity. They will also help you in developing your CV. You're developing your cover letter, each and everything. So if you are willing to go on placement, don't be panic like who will give me placement or from where will take it. University will do each and everything for you. This is the program in which I've got selected. This is a very fun program. I'm telling you, students coming should fill the form of it and go to the assessment day, that is in the barrack with the army. This program is basically help you in your future. It will give you leadership qualities and help you to stand in massive public giving your speech or anything. And also the best thing is you will get a certificate from vice chancellor, so it's a good thing and you can put up on your CV. That will help you in jobs.